Okay, so the Haldex fluid just showed up, and I overnighted one of these syringe doodads from Amazon, Haldex fluid, and then various screws and seals and replacement items for that. So we can do that. Okay, so the car's lifted up. Let's see if I can get you under there. That is the Haldex. There's the pump right there. And then I believe the drain plugs are on the other side. Here it is from this side. Over there. Okay, so the drain plug is an 8mm hex bit. It helps if you have an extended ball hex. That's what I used. I'm going to put this drain pan under here, but I'd like to try to capture it to measure how much comes out. So I'm going to try to do that. This is the screw that we need to replace, the 8mm hex for the drain plug. That is this guy right here. Got a new one from FCP Euro. I'll put that screw there. I'm going to double check the instructions. All-wheel drive clutch. Remove the oil filler plug 2. That will be... that cracked off really easy. So that guy is this right here. Whoop. So we're gonna replace that dude with this one when we're done filling. But we're gonna replace the drain plug as soon as it's done dripping, which it looks like it's about done. So how much has come out? About half a liter. So maybe it was low. I don't know. Definitely should be more than that though. Let's check the torque spec on the drain plug. Now I gotta fill through that fill port. Going to use the coupling fluid that I showed you earlier and the filling syringe that I got. That's gonna be kind of tough. I'll get the extension, put that on there. All right. That's 200 mils. And for the next 200 mils, we're grabbing 400 through 600. All right, looks like it's full. This syringe is almost empty though. I'm just gonna squeeze the rest of it out. Yep, it's full. Gonna get a paper towel and wipe any mess up. It's done. Good and tight. All right, there we go. Now it came with pump screws as well. Oh my God. I had to do the pump before I put the fluid back in. All right, well, we're not doing the pump today. All right, so everything is back together. Just need to lower it. All right guys, so that is how we change the Haldex fluid. Thanks for watching. Be sure to be kind to someone today, and I will see you next time. Peace. Boop.